Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Garage Door Appointment Tracking Database. So you're going to want to go ahead and scroll up a ways here and go to our Appointment and Scheduling section. And you're going to want to click on the Access Garage Door Appointment Tracking Database. Once that opens, you're going to want to go ahead and download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Access that you are running on. I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Go ahead and open that. And you're going to want to extract all that file, so go ahead and extract that. Once you've done that, go ahead and open the file. And with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, you get a security warning, and that's just because your computer views this database template as a potential security risk or warning. Now, I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open the database. And also with all of our database templates, you get a pop-up box that shows all the different ways that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I'm just going to go ahead and close out of this for now. And so what this database template would be good for is if you own like a garage door equipment company, or maybe you install garage doors. However, if you like this database template but you do not own that type of company and you own a different type of company, let Winning Solutions Inc. know, and we can customize the database template to be completely compatible with your company of your choosing. So I'm going to start off here I'm just going to create a new customer. I'm just going to say Mrs. Ann Jones. And as you can see, there's a lot of information you can fill out here. I'm just going to fill out partially some of the information, put in an email here. And I guess I'll put in a phone number as well. Just make that one up. But as you can see, you can put in an address. You can even put in a picture of the customer. And you can put in notes, call history, appointment history, and payment history of the customer. So this is a pretty detailed section. There's a lot of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close this for now. Now what I can do is I can search for that specific customer. So I named her Ann Jones. So if I search Jones by last name, there's that customer right there, Mrs. Ann Jones. And if I double click this, I can actually view and edit the record. So pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of this for now. And now I'm going to actually create a specific appointment. So if I view the schedule calendar, and this is the daily view, you can have weekly view. So it looks like this. You can have the monthly view, so it shows the whole month, and you can have bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks. But we're going to go to the daily view, and we're going to create an appointment on Monday, December 21st at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So our customer is going to be Ann Jones, the one I just created. Our employee is going to be person 1, and we're going to make it 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Make an hour, and you can even put on, if you're going to have multiple workers work on this project, you can put in another worker. So we'll put in person 2, why not? You can even put how they're going to pay for it. Oh, I forgot to put in this. So we're going to put in the type. So we're going to put installation. He's installing a garage. Location, make it easy, just location 1. So now, you can, as you can see, you can put in notes. You can make it an all-day event, all that good stuff. We're going to actually select a custom color for this. We're going to make it orange. Now, what's that going to do is it's going to make this thing all orange. However, when I hit save and close, it's also going to make it orange on the calendar. So watch this, save and close. Look at that, installation location 1. Now what this is good for is if I had an appointment at 9 a.m. here, it would be really organized to have it be a different color. And then another point at 10 a.m., it would be easy in the eyes, it'd be separate, and you can see you have multiple appointments back to back. This is just what it looks like on the monthly view. You see that installation. So I think this is pretty cool. And so you also, what you can do is if you had a bunch of appointments on one specific day, you can view the schedule by day. So I could just go start date. I made that event on the 21st. If I just run that search, it's going to just show me all my appointments that I have on the December 21st. So if you had a ton of appointments on one day and you wanted to just view that day, or even view just a location, this would be really good for minimizing your list, so you can be able to be more organized and see it easier. Close that. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert Template Walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, or you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those websites. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.